So I had my food here. I had my card here, so I was trying to remove it. But this is what I got. I got lemon pepper wet, of course. Fries, my extra ranch. But I hope you guys are doing good. I am doing great. So I just texted my man because he sleeps a little bit early than me. I'm a night bird. He's like an early bird. So if I can tell you guys really enjoyed that video I did with my man, let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. I actually have another video coming soon. It's another like shop with me. I won't say too much. Oh, forgot. Got my Coke right here. So yeah, let's eat. I hope you guys are doing good. Yeah. I actually don't work tomorrow, so I have a meeting, but yeah. I actually put it right here. Look at this wing. Hold on. It's drenched. I think I got the 10 piece. Hold on. Yeah, I was going to get the 12, but I usually don't eat that much. Look at this goodness. Looks extra juicy. Like me. I'm just kidding. But that looks good. Are you guys drums or flats? Me, I'm both. I think my mom is like flats. She only eats flats. My mouth is watering. Mm. I do have my extra ranch right there. Because I'm a ranch person. I'm like a sauce person, you know? Y'all need to tell me down below, what is your favorite like wing flavor? Mine is I love barbecue. Excuse me. I love barbecue. I love what's the other one? Of course, lemon pepper, and I think I like mayo a little bit. Not too much, but I still like it. I'm gonna dip it in my ranch, y'all. Oops, hold on. There we go. I know y'all can't see because the way I'm holding it. Yeah, so good. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys are eating something at least. Try to. Because whenever I watch these type of videos, I always get like mouth watered. And I was just watching someone doing like a mukbang of Wingstop. And I was like, I need wings though. Can't you guys believe it's almost Christmas? That's crazy to me. I still haven't been like shopping for anybody. Cause like I waste a lot of money. We know this. So probably has to be the next week or the following week where I probably have to like get my check and then I will definitely buy some people presents. So what do you guys want for Christmas? I'm actually gonna eat this and you guys tell me in the comments. But how you guys been doing? I've been doing pretty good. Sorry, that's those scent that makes the room smell good. That's going. So if you hear any noise, the TV's on as well. So yeah. I can't believe it's almost. I don't know. You can't really see it, but I can't believe it's almost going to be 2024. I have a lot of goals and like things I want to accomplish. Sorry, there's a lot of things that are going on, like goals and stuff like that. That would definitely happen next year. So just wait on it. I know the holidays are super hard for a lot of people, including me, financially, physically, mentally. So but just know you got this, and everything that you're going through personally, physically, mentally, we got this. There's always light at the end of the tunnel, so we'll be okay. What you guys have been up to? Hopefully this video not so long. Um, I know my recent video, not my recent, but the cooking with my boyfriend, were super long. I'm sorry about that, y'all. I'll try to cut my videos short, but definitely make sure you're eating something, or at least watching me eat or something. So yeah. Oh. Oh, hold on. I'll tell you guys. I did finally get to see the Beyonce movie. I mean the tour that she was on. Excuse me. I need to watch it again. Okay, that's the heater. Sorry if you see me do this. There's something in my teeth. And I normally don't like stuff in my teeth, if that makes sense. But exciting news. Me and my man's anniversary is actually coming up. We're going to be together a year, which is really exciting. Definitely let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see with me and him. We can definitely do a Q&A. Excuse me. If you have any questions on how we met, everything like that, we'll definitely do a video next time I see him. Because we've been so busy with stuff. But yeah, we're going to complete a year. December 23rd. So, which is pretty exciting because our love is getting stronger. So, yeah. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, yeah, okay. I forgot to say, how was y'all Thanksgiving? I know it already passed. I was planning on recording that video, but I didn't. So I hope y'all Thanksgiving was good. Mine was good. Ours was good. Sorry. I got to spend time with my family. I got to spend time with my boyfriend's family. I got to see his brother, his wife, and their daughter. Sorry. So that was definitely a lot of fun. We went to 2 houses. That was a lot of fun. We didn't even take pictures, which I'm sad about. But this Christmas, me and my man plan on like doing Christmas together and like doing Christmas photo shoot or something like that. Christmas PJs. There we go. There are exciting things planning me and my boyfriend have, but I won't say what we have planning next year, but it's a lot of things. Definitely gonna take you guys on a journey with me. So, I know you guys probably wonder where I've been. I've been here. I've been working somewhat. Really, I don't know. Excuse me. What am I saying? I don't know if anyone has been like this, but my depression has been really getting to me. Has been really getting to me, and my anxiety. I'll talk more about it in a second. Hold on. Wow. So I'm gonna drink some Coke, and I'll answer that question. But yeah, I'm pretty sure we all go through it, like our depression, our anxiety. Yeah, I've really been through it, but I'm doing good now. There are a lot of things going on. Like yesterday, me and my boyfriend are going through something. I'm not gonna put his personal business out there, but yeah, we're going through something, but we'll get through this. But yeah, like I can't talk today. Like yesterday or the day before, I was going to record a Chick-fil-A mukbang actually, but I was not feeling it, and like I'm not going to record a video or like put myself out there if I'm not feeling it, you know. But I'm pretty sure everybody goes through depression or anxiety or like self doubt. Like, what am I doing with my life? Um, what path am I going with? Sorry, this took a dark turn or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I don't know if I should continue eating because I don't want this video to be too long. So thank you for sticking around with me. Probably yeah. I don't want my food to get too cold, which it is a little bit, but you know it's fine. So yeah. I don't want to make a mess here. So I'm actually going to put this because I know my mom's probably be like, girl, clean up your mess. Okay. We'll talk more once I eat. Once I'm finished. Sorry, the lemon pepper got in my tongue. My tongue. My lips. But yeah, you guys. What are your plans for Christmas, Christmas Eve, and New Year's? I know Christmas Day, I'm going to spend time with my boyfriend. On the 24th, I'm going to spend time with him as well. And the 23rd is our anniversary. So. I don't know what we're going to do for New Year's. I know the 23rd, I'm actually going to my sister's house because she's going to be doing a Christmas Eve party. And a lot of stuff like that. I'll probably record that. I don't know what my man has planned for us for our anniversary. But I know he has a lot of gifts for me. I still have yet to buy his gifts because I've been struggling financially. So. Let's see, what else should we talk about? That is the TV in the living room. Let's see. This video is going to be super long. I am so sorry. I'm almost done eating. I only got 3 left and a couple, excuse me. A couple, wings and fries. But yeah, I'm going to finish this and yeah. But let's see. Me and my family are doing good, which, thank God, he always wakes us up, all of us. We're truly blessed. That's a wonderful thing. I know a lot of people, recently, hold on, this kind of bothers me. Excuse me. But yeah, see? There we go. But yeah, me and my man actually are doing good. We just talked. After this video, I will call him before he goes to sleep, or he's asleep. So. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. So, yeah. I don't know what else to talk to you guys about. I don't want to tell you guys too much information. Yeah, I don't want to tell you that. But yeah, you guys, I'm actually going to finish this off camera. Unless I have something else to say. I don't want this video to be too long. Unless y'all want me to finish it, I don't mind. But I only had a couple bites, so that actually go. And I had to edit some parts out where I did some weird faces or something. They definitely drenched this in lemon pepper. I will definitely see you guys in the next year. I do plan on recording a whole lot of videos. I will definitely, sorry, I thought I saw something. I will definitely try my best to record more and more often. So, yeah. I'm getting kind of full, but I'm going to finish this and then wrap up the video. Oh, I got heartburn. Ooh, y'all, that was so good. Hold on. But yeah, you guys, I am fully done. I am pretty full, actually. I'm gonna drink the rest of my Coke and actually edit this video right now. You guys are doing good. Definitely let me know, excuse me, what kind of videos you guys would like to see. I know someone else really wanted me to record a video of what I eat in a day. I would definitely do that as well. Also wanted to say that I don't eat like this, like all the time. You guys don't really see me eating wings all the time. This was a treat for myself. I was gonna actually go with my family, but they took so long, and like I get hangry. What is that? Of course, ranch. Anyway, yeah, I was actually gonna eat tacos with my family, but you know, they take way too long, and my stepdad was editing videos. In case you guys are wondering why the house is so quiet, my niece and nephew actually left with their dad like a couple hours ago. So I usually don't have a lot of quiet time. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It really depends, but this food was delicious. I'm going to edit some parts out because I was doing weird things. But yeah, let's see. I hope you guys like my shirt. I'm just being really comfy. Actually, after this, after I get off the video and record and edit, after I edit this video specifically, I'm actually going to edit another video. And yeah, probably going to call my man because he's probably like, where my girl at? What is she doing that's taking so long? So he probably fell asleep, probably, because I have my card there. Okay, I'm not show you guys too much, but yeah. And let's see, if I have anything else to tell you guys, I would definitely let you guys know. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, leave them down below. I'm so sorry if you guys don't like these type of videos or the way I eat. I'm sorry. Okay, but I think that's it. I'm actually gonna close out this video, call my man, and probably relax in the living room sometimes. I like to chill here. It's really quiet, you know. So I hope you guys really like the decor. So yeah, let's see. The food was good. Thebomb.com. I'm actually gonna have some Coke to like wash it down. I'm trying to think what else, y'all. If I do anything fun in December, I'll definitely take you guys along with me. But yeah, that's actually gonna do it for you guys. It's 10:15, and today is Saturday, December 9th. I know next week I'm going to see my man, and then the following week I'm going to see him, but I'm actually going to work Monday. So let's see if I can record what I eat in a day, or I've been thinking of recording what I eat in a week, or like vlogging, who knows, stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely subscribe, like this video. You can follow my social media, my Instagram, TikTok, and my YouTube, of course, here. Anything else, I would definitely let you guys know. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you all for the love. I love all of you guys. Hold on. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, I'm not gonna talk too much because, I like to ramble. But I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.